Wow, esto está brutal. Brutal, bello, 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 bello. Oh my God. Esto está brutal. Mira que ellos los tapó. Aquellas personas se taparon. Dios mío. Ay, Dios mío. ¡Ay, santo! ¡Ay, se los llevan, se los llevan! ¡Se van, se van! ¡Se van, Dios mío! ¡Ay, no puede ser! ¡Se los llevó!
¿Y esos animales ahí?
¡No! ¡Dios mío! Mira, no se pueden meter. ¡Ay, qué susto! ¡Qué susto esto!
Se está metiendo la ola para acá.
Starting in 2017, a previously unknown asteroid belt has been located in deep space and is now hurtling towards our part of the solar system. It means a global killer could collide with Earth as soon as 2020, wiping out life as we know it and changing the climate for millennia. The terrifying predictions came as NASA revealed disturbing new data showing 400 impacts are expected between 2017 and 2113, based on new observational data of objects seen in space over the past 60 days. Most will have a maximum diameter of around 100 meters, the size of 7 double-decker buses, and the potential to cause significant damage. But concerned scientists warned a colossal monster is also heading our way, with one mega-asteroid threatening Earth in just 6 years. It follows claims this week by physicist Professor Brian Cox that a bus-sized asteroid, named 2014 EC, came within 61,637 kilometers, 38,300 miles, of Earth in March. He said there is an asteroid with our name on it and it is only a matter of time before an asteroid large enough to wipe out the human race collides with Earth. Many believe an asteroid was responsible for killing the dinosaurs with a similar life-changing event, potentially just around the corner. Professor Bill Napier, an astronomy expert at the University of Buckingham, said a strike by either an asteroid or debris from a comet could have devastating consequences. He said, if something like this happened, depending on where it hit, it would be absolutely life-altering. The atmospheric chemistry would be upset by cutting out sunlight. It would be like a nuclear winter and could last for tens of thousands of years. These comets are 200 to 300 kilometers, 186 miles, in diameter. They are sheer monsters and could sterilize the Earth if we are hit by one. The more immediate risk comes from sub-kilometer, smaller asteroids, and there are tens of thousands of these in space which are quite capable of causing damage on a regional scale. One hit Siberia in 1908 and luckily it was not in a populated area. Had this happened in London, it would have wiped out everything within the M25 and you would have heard the collision in another country. And experts warned of the possibility of something much bigger striking Earth in 2020. Asteroid 2012 D814.
All of us on this planet are on the brink of a kind of close encounter. A big asteroid is hurtling through space, and it's supposed to miss us by a cosmic inch, just 17,000 miles. That's closer than some of our weather satellites. In fact, it's so close, scientists are springing into action, and here's ABC's Neil Karlinski.
Right now, while you're watching this, a chunk of space rock big enough to level a city is hurtling towards our planet 8 times faster than a speeding bullet. The good news is, scientists say it will miss. The scary news is, the 130,000 metric ton asteroid called DA14 is the size of half a football field, and it will be much closer than the moon. In fact, it will thread the needle between Earth and the roughly 600 satellites around us, the ones that your cell phone relies on, possibly even smashing one to smithereens on its way by. But if that's why you're thinking this is all still a long, long way from all of us way down here walking the streets, you may want to think again. The last close call turned out to be a direct hit. It was 1908, and luckily it hit the middle of nowhere, Siberia, decimating 1,000 miles of trees, but no people.
If a very large asteroid hit, it would probably create the same kind of disaster that wiped out the dinosaurs.
Amazingly, no one knew DA14 was headed our way until a Spanish dentist and amateur astronomer randomly discovered it a year ago. NASA doesn't have the resources to look for asteroids, which is why a trio of American astronauts and rocket scientists are raising money to launch their own asteroid early warning system called Sentinel, a dedicated telescope scanning the stars for threats.
This asteroid is a wake-up call that we should be looking out there. These things do hit the Earth.
Scientists say we can keep the planet safe if we just know what's out there headed our way.
Ulchodas, a planetary astronomer at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, said, the orbit for 2012 DA14 is currently very Earth-like, which means it will be very close to Earth on a regular basis. Professor Napier said the Earth is at risk of 2 types of strike asteroids, which are lumps of rock, and much larger comets formed from ice which shatter into billions of diamond-like pieces as they hit the Earth. He said though some famous comets like Halley's Comet present little risk, there are similar ones out there, which could have catastrophic effects. The Swift-Tuttle Comet, discovered in by Lewis Swift on July 16, 1862, group warned an impact by an asteroid larger than 1-2 kilometers could throw the climate into chaos, triggering crop failure and loss of life. An impact by an object larger than about 5 kilometers is damaging enough to cause mass extinctions, it said.
NASA is currently...
Сырватор. Ужас. Ужас. Офигеть. Сырдым.
Oh my god. Shucks.
What is the name?